Rebuilding Trust in a Relationship, a Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to our video on rebuilding trust in a relationship. Trust is a crucial component of any healthy relationship. And when it is broken, it can be difficult to know where to begin in order to repair it. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide for couples who are working to rebuild trust after an incident of dishonesty or betrayal. Step 1. Acknowledge the betrayal. The first step in rebuilding trust is acknowledging the betrayal. This means that both parties must take responsibility for their actions and understand the impact they had on the relationship. It is important to have an open and honest conversation about the incident and to express remorse for the hurt caused. Step 2. Identify the underlying issues. The next step is to identify the underlying issues that led to the betrayal. This could be a lack of communication, unresolved past issues, or a lack of emotional intimacy. By identifying these issues, couples can work towards resolving them and preventing similar situations from occurring in the future. Step 3. Establish clear boundaries. To rebuild trust, it is important to establish clear boundaries within the relationship. This means setting limits on what is and isn't acceptable behavior, and holding each other accountable for upholding these boundaries. This can include setting guidelines for communication, such as agreeing to be transparent about finances or social media use, or establishing rules for physical intimacy. Step 4. Communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is key to rebuilding trust. This means being transparent about your thoughts and feelings, and being willing to listen and understand your partner's perspective. It is also important to be willing to compromise and work towards finding solutions that work for both parties. Step 5. Be patient and consistent. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort. It's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts to repair the relationship. This means being willing to put in the work on a daily basis and not giving up when things get tough. It also means being willing to forgive and move forward, even when it's hard. Rebuilding trust in a relationship can be a difficult and challenging process, but it is possible with the right approach. By acknowledging the betrayal, identifying the underlying issues, Establishing clear boundaries. Communicating openly and honestly. And being patient and consistent. Couples can work towards repairing their relationship and rebuilding the trust that was broken. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and effort. But it is worth it for the health and happiness of your relationship. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on relationship and self-improvement. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.